If you are looking for a scrub that will naturally brighten your skin and repair your skin, this is a scrub you want to start making and start using on your skin as soon as possible. Hello guys, it's Ada here. I'm going to be showing you how to make this Moringa body scrub. So this scrub is what you want to have if you are looking for that bright, beautiful skin. So let's get started. You're going to measure out 1 cup of sugar into a clean container. So you can use brown sugar for this as well. Then you are going to add about 40 ml of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is a very nice oil. It's a lightweight oil and it doesn't clog your pores. Then you are going to add about 20 ml of honey. So as we all know, honey is a very good moisturizer. Then next we are going to add mulberry extract. Mulberry extract is a natural skin brightener. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of moringa powder. Then we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of base cream. Then you can use any body wash of choice. Then you add the body wash to the content. Guys, this scrub is amazing. So this is the combination of the ingredients. The next thing you are going to do is to mix everything to be nicely mixed and well blended. Guys, if you're looking for that homemade natural scrub that will help your skin naturally pop, okay, so this is a scrub you want to make for yourself, and this scrub will also make your skin beautiful, like it will repair your skin. Okay, so this scrub has the ability to brighten your skin, to even out your skin tone, to smoothen out your skin, to as well repair your skin. Okay, so in fact this scrub is a whole lot of goodness in one jar. Okay, so of course it's a scrub and this is a body scrub. It shouldn't be used on the face. Okay, so all you need to do is just to use this scrub 3 times a week for best result. Okay, but if you are still starting, you can start with using it like 2 times. Okay, then you can proceed to using it like 3 times a week. Okay, so you're going to add preservative to prolong the shelf life of this body scrub. Then you mix everything together until nicely mixed. So guys, this scrub is what you want to try. It's so nice. If you're looking for that bright skin, go for the scrub. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day and bye for now.